Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a reliable recovery point. Take a snapshot or full backup now because disk changes can fail. Once done, power off the virtual machine unless you have confirmed hot disk expansion support. Powering off is safest. Then, open the VM settings in vSphere or Workstation, select the virtual hard disk, and choose Edit. Increase the provisioned size to the new value. Click OK to apply the virtual disk change. You've completed the host side resize. Next, handle the guest file system. You boot the VM and immediately verify the OS sees the larger virtual disk. Use disk management on Windows or lsblk/lsl on Linux. For Windows, run diskpart. Select the correct disk and volume, then use the extend command to consume the new space. For Linux, run growpart on the target partition or adjust partitions with parted, then run resize 2fs for ext4 or xfs growths for xfs. Make sure to expand the file system after the partition grows, because the virtual disk change alone is not enough. You finish by confirming the OS reports the added free space and that applications function normally. Check file systems and run quick integrity checks. Once satisfied, consolidate and remove any temporary snapshots to reclaim data store space, but do this only after verifying stability. If the VM fails to boot, immediately revert to the snapshot you made earlier, or attach the virtual disk to a rescue VM to inspect and repair partitions. This troubleshooting step saves time. Always keep that recovery point until fully confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.